While mass timber construction offers significant benefits, it also faces some challenges when it comes to cost effectiveness. The mass timber industry is still developing, leading to price volatility, high initial costs, and insurance challenges that must be overcome for mass timber to become a widely adopted building material. Mass timber construction is increasingly influenced by fluctuations in material costs, primarily due to disruptions in the global supply chain. These disruptions can lead to significant price volatility, making it challenging for builders and developers to budget effectively. Additionally, transportation costs are also subject to variation, further complicating the overall expense of mass timber projects. As shipping rates change and logistics become more unpredictable, the financial implications for mass timber projects can become substantial, affecting project timelines and feasibility. The high initial costs of mass timber construction is a significant barrier to its widespread adoption. While it is true that mass timber tends to be more expensive upfront compared to traditional materials, the context of these costs must be taken into account. Factors such as the location, design complexity, and project scale can influence the pricing. For instance, in urban areas where material costs and labor tend to be higher, mass timber can offer a competitive advantage due to its lightweight and faster assembly times, potentially reducing the overall project timeline and also the overall project cost. With a limited number of manufacturers and production capacity, economies of scale can be difficult to achieve. This results in mass timber sometimes being initially more expensive than conventional materials, even though it may offer long-term cost savings. Another factor contributing to the high cost is the lack of knowledge and experience in the industry. There is a shortage of architects, engineers, contractors, and workers who are familiar with designing and working with mass timber. This lack of experience can lead to inefficiencies and additional costs during the construction phase. Nevertheless, as educational programs and training initiatives expand, the industry is gradually building a more knowledgeable workforce, which will help mitigate these challenges in the future. Ensuring mass timber buildings presents unique challenges, primarily due to the lack of historical data available on their performance. Insurance carriers often perceive mass timber buildings as higher risk than they actually are, often leading to higher premiums or even declining coverage altogether. Concerns regarding the durability and repairability of mass timber, along with its vulnerability to moisture damage, contribute significantly to the insurance industry's hesitation to provide comprehensive coverage. By addressing these challenges and limitations, the mass timber industry can continue to grow and become a more cost-effective and viable alternative to traditional building materials. Just like the mind map with all of the benefits of mass timber, we now also have a mind map with the challenges and limitations of mass timber. Go over to the TimberTalk Patreon page to become a member and download the mind map for free.
Stay informed, stay inspired. TimberTalk.